How to fix iCloud verification failed on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio. And if you're trying to log into your Apple account and you're getting this error called iCloud verification failed, there is a problem connecting to the server, then don't be panic. Here in this video, I'll show you a couple of ways of how you can fix the problem. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, first thing first, simply go ahead and take your internet connection. Swipe down for the very top, and if you're using Wi-Fi, then switch it to a stable internet connection like cellular data. But if you're still using the cellular data, then turn off this option and connect to a stable internet connection or the Wi-Fi and see if that fixes your problem or not. And also, you can turn on the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds and turn it back off, and this could fix your problem as well. But let's say you did this process but you're still having the same problem, then you can force restart your iPhone. You can press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. If none of these steps works for you, then all you can do, you can open up the settings application from a device and then scroll down, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, and tap reset and select reset all settings. And then put your passcode right over here, and lastly just go ahead and tap on reset all settings, and this will reset all of your settings and it'll get back to the default. And once you do that, most likely a problem is going to be solved. But if you still have the problem, then you just need to check out the Apple activity status. You can open up any browser. I'm going to open up the Safari browser and search for Apple system status. You just need to search for this one, and once you're here inside the system status, he'll get to see the all operating normal. So you just need to tap on this plus button and make sure the Apple account, App Store, and the iCloud accounts are showing available right over here. If it's unavailable, then you need to wait some time. This is the server issue and it will be automatically fixed. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.